What do you think? What do you think? Yeah. We're at an unnamed fall on the Sheltowee Trace. Not a lot of people know about this one. In the summer, the pool is small and the fall is a trickle, so a lot of people, you know, you'd walk by it and not see it or hear it. It rained all day a couple days ago, so that's why it's so robust right now. And we're sitting on this, you see the water sometimes flow across this island we're on, and then it flows over here. So the stream is going around us. It's one of my favorite falls that I've been to, places I've been to. And we're here on a Tuesday about 11 a.m. or 11:30 a.m. so even less people. So I don't hike because I want to be around a bunch of people. So I had an apple. Mom made some of those dry ass cookies. We had some water. I'd say it's about a 1.5 mile hike out here and back, and a 1.5 miles back. What was you gonna say? Chips. Yeah, the chips are alright. And this is actually the confluence of two streams. We're on Pounder Branch, so that's a small stream that hits Pounder Branch. And Pounder Branch eventually flows into Cane Creek. And then all that flows into the Rockcastle River. If I've got that right. Hey, I'll take a photo. So, 1, 2,